How to sign in to your Temu account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Temu account. So let's get started. First just head over to your Temu application just like this and just click on this U button at the bottom of your navigation bar. And once you're inside here, as you can see, you can either log in directly with your email by simply tapping on the sign in button over here, or you can just continue with your Google account or Facebook account as well as your phone number. So since I logged in with my previously Google account, so I'll simply click on this continue with Google and select any of my Google accounts just like this, and I'll just have to enter my Gmail password over here. And after I enter my password, just click on continue, and just like that I've successfully logged into my account. You can also add your phone number if you want, and that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.